Oh, hello there. Just walking in the park today. Just got tired of sitting in the house, so I'm going to show you what I'm looking at. There's a area here. We're just going to walk down and see if they finished the construction on it. Boy, those look good on camera. As soon as we get down to that corner down there, that's where it turns. So we'll see. Wow, look. This was so not here. Look how neat. Oh my goodness. This is a cool area right under this freeway thing. I can hold it. There's the part of the creek down there. And then there's the bridge over there. The last time I was here, all there was this circle thing here. And now, my husband just asked this lady that ran by. And look, there's an entrance. She said it goes back about a mile. How awesome. It used to be you just go up that hill and look over there at the other freeway. Wow, that is so cool. It looks pretty neat.